Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Kira.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh. Alright. Ready? Ready? Ready?
Wait.
No, ready, set, go. Ready?
Set, go.
Okay. Ready?
Set, go.
Ready?
Wait, go.
Ready?
Set, go. Turn, go.
You sound like a dying pig.
Look. Ready?
Set, go.
Wait. Foot. Ready? Ready? What do you say?
Set, go.
Wee! You know, I do kind of sound like that. Ew.
No, not when you were talking. When you were doing that noise.
Oh,
Just the wee over and over.
Ah!
When does it stop?
Yuck.
Does it stop when you stop it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ew!
Kira. Say hi. Say I love you, Daddy.
Daddy, Daddy. Love you, Mama.
Blow kisses.
Dada.
Aww. Baby Kira.
Now she's like, you're so cute. Guess your hair's in your face.
Always. Ready?
Go.
She didn't let me finish. Ready? Oh.
What are you looking at?
Head.
Hair?
Head.
Jump?
Yeah.
Okay, 1. Okay, go. Oh yeah, this is better. She can go high. You just have to stay behind her book. That headboard is like bananas. Okay, you can't go that fast, but oh my god, this is a leg workout. Oh, okay, my legs hurt. Look, mommy.
My hand looks fat. It covers her whole face right now. Look, turn to the side. So small and so big. Bless you.
Ew.
You want mocos?
No.
No mocos? Come here, please.
That's it.
Come on.
No.
No, you cannot wear those. Those are bad for you to wear. You don't want mama?
My mommy.
No.
My mommy.
Airplane. Put your feet in the air. Straight, back. Close your feet and show her what
Like this.
Yeah.
No.
Hold on, let Vicky do it. Look.
Get your toes together.
Like that.
Point your toe.
Keep your feet like that. Can you do that? There you go.
This looks so funny. It's just boring, Kira. Why
my feet are falling. Oh my god.
Was that totally fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that to die?
I gotcha.
Say, Mommy, I just scraped your eyebrow. Oh. I don't want this up.
Baby. You are.
Look, here, now she has the camera. Squeeze me. Look, you have to point it at Mommy like this.
No.
Get all her chins and all that.
Thank you, Vicky.
Yeah, okay.
Get on my chin.
Mama.
Yeah.
No, Panda. No, Mama.
Do you see Mommy's face?
Yeah.
No, you
No, you
don't.
don't. You have to point it up.